10 health benefits of ginger lemon juice. Throughout history, various civilizations have held ginger in high esteem due to its incredible healing properties. This medicinal root is a powerhouse of essential nutrients, boasting an array of vitamins and minerals including potassium, manganese, copper, and magnesium. Have you ever wondered why ginger and lemon make such a dynamic pair? What benefits can this simple concoction offer to your health and vitality? The health advantages of this concoction are as impressive as they sound. From bolstering the immune system to aiding digestion and combating cancer, ginger lemon juice offers a myriad of benefits that make it a beverage worth incorporating into your routine. While each ingredient can be consumed separately, combining ginger and lemon creates a dynamic duo that significantly improves the overall cellular health and functionality within the body. Well, let's break down 10 health benefits of ginger lemon juice. Make sure you watch this video till the end as we share the tips on how to make ginger lemon juice and when is the best time to drink it. 1. Enhances digestive function. Ginger is a powerhouse when it comes to promoting a healthy digestive system. It kickstarts digestion by encouraging the release of digestive fluids, making the body more efficient in processing food. Research shows that ginger is instrumental in producing essential enzymes like trypsin and pancreatic lipase, crucial for breaking down proteins and fats. It doesn't stop there. Ginger also amps up gastric movement in healthy individuals. Moreover, ginger steps in to boost the production of digestive juices like hydrochloric acid and bile, vital for effective digestion. This makes ginger a preferable supplement to have on hand when you're about to consume a relatively large meal. For those grappling with gastrointestinal issues like bloating or constipation, ginger is a reliable ally. Studies highlight its ability to ease irritable bowel syndrome by calming the intestines, offering relief to over half the participants. 2. Boosts immune system. Ginger, renowned as a super herb, amps up your immune system in impressive ways. Persistent inflammation puts immense strain on your immune system, hindering its efficiency in combating illnesses. Enter ginger's incredible compounds, such as gingerols. These active elements engage in combat against troublesome free radicals lurking in your body. These troublemakers are associated with various health concerns like heart issues, neurodegenerative diseases, cancer, and aging. By incorporating ginger into your diet, you're essentially fortifying your immunity, reducing the risk of these problems. Lemons, on the other hand, are high in vitamin C, a natural antioxidant that enhances the immune system. Additionally, they bring their own arsenal of antiviral and antibacterial properties, ensuring your body stays resilient and healthy. 3. Eases nausea. For centuries, pregnant women have turned to ginger to ease nausea and vomiting, and scientific studies back its effectiveness. Numerous clinical trials, employing rigorous methods like double-blind, randomized, placebo-controlled approaches, confirm that consuming ginger is both safe and efficient in preventing pregnancy-related nausea and vomiting. Remarkably, ginger has shown comparable effectiveness to dimenhydrinate in managing nausea and vomiting during pregnancy with fewer side effects. Furthermore, ginger is a recommended remedy to alleviate chemotherapy-induced nausea. Lemons, another popular choice, are known for their ability to ease morning sickness and nausea. They contain acids that form bicarbonates, which effectively neutralize and alleviate nausea. 4. Enhances kidney function. It might be unexpected, but both ginger and lemon contribute to enhancing kidney function and health. In studies involving diabetic rats, ginger supplementation notably boosted the rat's antioxidant capacity. These diabetic rats experienced a significant reduction in nephropathy, a kidney disease linked to damage in small blood vessels. For those dealing with kidney stones, lemons offer a preventative solution. Their composition includes citrate, a compound that inhibits the buildup of calcium, thus reducing the formation of kidney stones. 5. Reduces inflammation. One of the standout health perks of ginger lemon juice is its remarkable ability to decrease chronic inflammation within the body. Ginger boasts a well-established anti-inflammatory prowess. It contains gingerols, compounds that actively deter the production of nitric oxide. Normally, nitric oxide generates harmful free radicals called peroxynitrites, triggering inflammation and harming our cells and organs. Gingerol engages with vanilloid receptors located on our nerve endings. Studies show that ginger's initial sensation not only impacts pain pathways directly, but also alleviates the inflammation causing the pain. Lemons, with their antioxidants, serve as potent anti-inflammatory agents. They target and neutralize free radicals that typically escalate inflammatory responses in the body. 6. Protects against cancer. Numerous research endeavors have delved into ginger's potential in combating various cancers such as lung, prostate, ovarian, colon, breast, skin, and pancreatic cancers. This potency can be largely credited to gingerols, the abundant bioactive components inherent in raw ginger. Gingerols have shown an ability to impede NF-κB effects and various other triggers responsible for stimulating cancer cell growth. Moreover, separate studies highlight ginger's capacity to prompt apoptosis, or programmed cell death, in cancerous cells. Lemons and other citrus fruits have showcased promise in lowering cancer risk. Some studies indicate that individuals consuming higher quantities of citrus fruits tend to have a reduced cancer risk. Researchers suggest that specific plant compounds like limonene and naringenin present in lemons might harbor anti-cancer effects. 7. Aids weight loss. Ginger frequently features in fat-burning supplements due to its ability to rev up metabolism. Studies reveal that when consumed alongside other foods, ginger enhances the thermic effect of those foods, resulting in increased calorie burn compared to consuming the foods without ginger. A comprehensive analysis of studies exploring ginger's impact on weight loss confirmed its notable effect on reducing body weight and targeting belly fat, as indicated by changes in waist-to-hip ratio. 8. Boosts nutrient absorption. Many individuals struggle to absorb all the nutrients present in the foods they consume. Surprisingly, the average person absorbs a varying range, anywhere from 10 to 90% of the vitamins and minerals available in their food. This inconsistency is often attributed to the consumption of processed foods and an excess of mucus lining the digestive tract. Ginger plays a crucial role in facilitating regular digestion and optimizing food metabolism, making it a valuable addition to your diet if nutrient absorption is a concern. It achieves this by triggering the secretion of gastric and pancreatic enzymes. Lemon, rich in vitamin C, aids in the absorption of iron from plant-based sources. Combining ginger and lemon with foods like beets can significantly enhance the body's ability to absorb iron from the beets themselves. 9. Aids in cellulite reduction. Ginger and lemon are renowned for their ability to reduce cellulite. They effectively tone and purify the lymphatic system, which plays a significant role in generating cellulite. Cellulite arises from blockages within the lymphatic system, making the stimulation of lymph flow the ideal approach for treatment. Both ginger and lemon serve as excellent tonics for the lymphatic system. The acidic nature of lemon and the warming characteristics of ginger work in tandem to break down the buildup of toxins within the delicate lymphatic vessels, thereby enhancing lymph flow. 10. Assists in regulating blood sugar. Ginger proves beneficial in reducing blood sugar levels, offering a boon for diabetics and those aiming to shed weight. In a study on individuals with type 2 diabetes, a mere 2 grams of ginger powder consumed daily led to a remarkable 12% decrease in blood glucose levels. Additionally, it notably improved HbA1c, denotes long-term blood sugar levels. Over a period of 12 weeks, this regimen resulted in a significant 10% drop in blood sugar levels, showcasing its impressive impact. Lemon juice also emerges as a potential aid for managing diabetic symptoms, especially when taken alongside meals. Research shows that lemon juice slows down the body's digestive process, effectively delaying the conversion of carbohydrates into sugar. How to make ginger lemon juice. Crafting ginger lemon juice isn't overly complicated. All you need are ginger, lemon, and a juicer, or a blender and a fine mesh strainer. For some, the blend of ginger and lemon might be a touch too tangy. If you're aiming for a larger serving, around 1-2 cups, rather than just a shot, consider adding fruits to balance the flavors and make it more enjoyable. It's recommended to keep the ginger peel on. It holds its own unique benefits that you'd miss out on if you peel it off. Whenever possible, retain the peel. Feel free to play around with your ginger lemon juice. Experiment by introducing your favorite fruits and veggies into the mix. Don't be afraid to explore different combinations. Best time to drink ginger lemon juice. Although there's no harm in enjoying ginger lemon juice at any time, it typically yields optimal results when consumed on an empty stomach. Having it in the morning kickstarts your digestive processes, enhancing your ability to absorb nutrients from subsequent meals throughout the day. If having ginger lemon juice on an empty stomach in the morning doesn't sit well with you, you can still benefit by having it later. However, for maximum effectiveness, ensure your stomach isn't actively digesting other foods when you drink it. For instance, if you have lunch around noon or 1 p.m., aim to drink your juice approximately 2-3 hours later, around 3-4 p.m. Juices tend to work more effectively in the body when the stomach isn't concurrently processing other food. There you have it, a pathway to a healthier, more vibrant life. Harness the incredible perks of ginger lemon juice and sip your way to vitality and wellness. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and consider sharing it with your loved ones. To stay informed about health and well-being, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to catch our latest content. You might also find additional interesting videos popping up on your screen right now. Feel free to click on any of them, or even better, watch both to further your journey in health knowledge with us. Until next time, take care. Bye.